What if I told you a single machine could crush cars, tear through mountains, and rewrite the record books, just with its size? Buckle up, because what you're about to witness isn't just big, it's earth-shaking. Today, we're diving into the world's most powerful and massive bulldozers ever engineered. These beasts weren't built, they were unleashed. So get ready, this is one ride you definitely don't want to miss. Number 15, Kamasu D575A, the Dirt Devourer. Meet the Kamasu D575A, a bulldozer so massive it looks like it eats dirt for breakfast. With over 1,150 horsepower, it doesn't just push earth, it commands it to move. And inside, it's basically first class for bulldozers. A suspension seat smoother than your coffee, limo-like legroom, and ultra-responsive controls. An advanced monitoring system keeps the operator cool and in total control, while this beast does the heavy lifting like it's nothing. It might not be the biggest in the world, but with this kind of muscle, attitude, and legacy, it's the bulldozer that says, bring it on. Before we unleash the next mechanical giant, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. What's coming next is on another level. Number 14, Chalmer's HD41, the monster they almost forgot. Most people think record-breaking bulldozers are a modern flex, but this beast proved otherwise. In 1972, the Chalmer's HD41 crashed onto the scene, weighing a jaw-dropping 65 tons and instantly dominating its class. With a blade that could level mountains and tracks made for any terrain, it wasn't just built to push dirt, it was built to conquer it. Years later, two guys stumbled upon an abandoned HD41 and were stunned. Instead of walking away, they restored it to life and began showcasing it at tractor exhibitions, where it still turns heads today. Its monster engine, high-strength frame, and shockingly roomy cabin made this machine both a brute and a comfort zone, as comfortable as pushing earth gets. Even next to giants like the D9, this one held its ground and left everything else in the dust. Number 13600 HP bulldozer that outthinks the job. Cat D10T2. Up next, the Caterpillar D10T2. A bulldozer that doesn't just move dirt, it dominates it. With 600 horsepower and a fuel-efficient C27 engine, this machine crushes heavy jobs while keeping costs low. Power meets precision. Its raised sprocket design protects vital components, cutting downtime and boosting durability. Need versatility? The D10T2's modular build lets you switch between blades, winches, and rakes like it's nothing. And for the operator, climate control, a vibration-dampened seat, and smooth, intuitive controls make the ride feel almost effortless. This isn't just a dozer, it's Caterpillar's masterclass in muscle and intelligence. Number 12, John Deere's Bulldozer Beast 1050K. John Deere isn't just for tractors anymore. When they entered the bulldozer arena with the 1050K, they didn't dip their toes, they jumped in with steel boots. Built for efficiency and toughness, this machine isn't here to waste time or fuel. The 1050K keeps costs low while moving serious dirt, making it a favorite for jobs that demand performance without the price tag. Need a quick fix? Maintenance is a breeze. Just pop open the front or side panels and you're ready to go. Less downtime, more grind. Inside the cab, it's all about control. Adjustable settings and precision handling let operators fine-tune it to their liking. It's smooth, it's responsive, and it works the way you want it to. Why did John Deere step into construction? Simple. If you're already building reliable machines, why not dominate more ground? From farm fields to job sites, the 1050K is Deere's way of saying, we're not just green, we're mean. Number 11, Kamasu D475A power you can control. Meet the Kamasu D475A-8, a bulldozer that blends raw muscle with precision. Packing 890 horsepower, it tackles brutal terrain like it's nothing. But don't let that power fool you. Its advanced track system and tight turning radius make it surprisingly agile, even in tight spots. And the inside? Spacious, intuitive, and built for comfort, with controls so smooth you'll forget you're operating a giant. Whether it's long shifts or heavy loads, The D475-8i keeps you comfortable and productive the whole way through. This isn't just a machine, it's a precision powerhouse that makes hard work feel effortless. Number 9. Shantui SD90C5, the Hulk of bulldozers. The Shantui SD90C5 isn't just a bulldozer, it's the Hulk in steel form. With 800 horsepower, this machine muscles through earth moving like it's child's play. But don't be fooled by the raw power, it's surprisingly smart too. Equipped with intelligent blade control and real-time performance monitoring, it handles complex jobs with the precision of a pro. And while it tears through terrain, it's also fuel efficient, keeping operating costs low. A win for both your crew and your wallet. Brains, brawn, and brutal efficiency. The SD90C5 delivers all three. This isn't just another bulldozer. It's a thinking powerhouse built to dominate. Number 8. Leehair PR776 Litronic. Precision has a new name. Meet the Leehair PR776 Litronic, where German precision meets unstoppable force. This 768 horsepower machine doesn't just move earth, it glides through the toughest terrain like it's nothing. Built with an advanced hydraulic system, it gives operators pinpoint control, even in the tightest, most unforgiving spaces. And while it's working hard, it's also working smart. Onboard systems constantly monitor performance and fuel efficiency, making sure downtime stays low and output stays high. The PR776 isn't just about size or strength. It's a masterclass in technology, control, and pure productivity. Number 7. New Holland D180. Built for comfort, ready for chaos. Let's talk about the New Holland D180, a bulldozer that blends comfort, control, and durability like a pro. Inside the cab, it's all about the operator. Customizable seats, armrests, and controls make it feel like it was built just for you. Want real-time updates? The monitoring system tracks everything, flashing alerts the moment something's off, so you're always in control. You get 2 steering systems to match your driving style, and with excellent ground clearance, it glides over rough terrain while dodging damage. And if anything goes wrong, maintenance is fast and easy, keeping you on the job, not in the shop. The D180 isn't just reliable, it's a machine that works as hard as you do. Number 6. Shantui SD90C5, the Precision Beast. Meet the Shantui SD90C5, a bulldozer that combines raw power with next-level precision. With a 530 horsepower engine, it handles everything from road clearing to terrain leveling like it's no big deal. Its tough, high-strength frame was built to thrive in the harshest conditions, no matter what's in its way. But it's not just brawn. Thanks to automated controls and GPS-guided navigation, the SD90C5 doesn't just work hard. It works smart, fine-tuning every move for maximum efficiency. Whether you're tackling dirt, debris, or deadlines, this bulldozer turns brute force into precision performance. Number 5. Fiat Alice HD41, the legendary earth mover. Say hello to a legend. The Fiat Alice HD41, a machine that didn't just move earth, it rewrote the rulebook. With a massive 650 horsepower engine, this beast tore through rugged terrain like it was paper. Its durability and raw force made it a favorite on the world's toughest work sites, and for good reason. Inside the cab, you've got room to breathe and clear visibility, giving operators the control and confidence to handle long, grueling shifts with ease. From leveling landscapes to dominating debris, the HD41 didn't just work hard, it made the impossible look easy. Number 4. Cetra T40, the Russian Hulk of bulldozers. Say hello to the Cetra T40, a Russian-built monster that's basically the Hulk on tracks. With a 500 horsepower engine, it powers through snow, mud, and rock like it's cruising through butter. This beast is built like a tank. Its rugged frame and heavy-duty components are made to survive the world's harshest conditions. And while it dominates the outside, the inside tells a different story. Ergonomic controls and advanced systems make life surprisingly easy for the operator. When you're up against extreme environments, the T40 isn't just a choice, it's your best shot at getting the job done. Number 3. Caterpillar D11 TSD, the king of bulldozers. The Caterpillar D11 TSD isn't just a bulldozer, it's a precision powerhouse. This beast runs on a torque converter transmission, delivering smooth, consistent force while reducing wear under massive loads. And when you step inside, you're not in a cab, you're in a command center. With climate control, a vibration-isolated seat, and intuitive digital displays, this machine was designed for operator comfort and complete control. Built to tackle the toughest terrains with efficiency and strength, the D11 TSD doesn't just move dirt, it moves the industry. Number 2. AICO Super Bulldozer, the Italian giant that never got to roar. Meet the AICO Super Bulldozer, an Italian-built titan that looks like it was designed to reshape continents. With a blade over 7 meters wide and a weight of 183 tons, this machine is more like a moving mountain than a bulldozer. Fueled by a 1,400 horsepower engine, it had the raw strength to tackle the biggest land development projects on the planet. Originally destined for massive construction work in Libya, this powerhouse was grounded by international trade restrictions. Now, it rests silently in Italy, not as a workhorse, but as a monument to unstoppable engineering and a dream that never hit the dirt. Number 1. Lerno L2350. Earth has never seen bigger. This isn't just a loader, it's the world's largest earth mover. The Lerno L2350 holds the Guinness World Record for a reason. One scoop lifts a staggering 80 tons of material. Its bucket is massive, its tires dwarf trucks, and it clears more ground in minutes than most machines do in hours. Why build something this extreme? Because in mining, speed plus size is money. Built for efficiency, made for giants, the L2350 doesn't just move dirt, it rewrites the rules. And now that you've seen these earth-shaking giants in action, which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss We bring the biggest machines and the craziest facts